Yo, what's going on? Yeah, I was in that baby maybe 15 minutes ago. Uh, we got 74-degree water today, but the sun is out shining nice and bright. So it was actually nice. Uh, yo. So, hey, I'm watching the Phillies play baseball. They're doing pretty good this year. And then Eagles are coming on a little later. So I'm making up some shrimp. So I got about a half a bag left of these 1620 uh, raw, easy peel, extra jumbo raw shrimp. And then I put a bunch of salt in the water, use my filtered water, and then I used this. And then just for the hell of it, I put some of this pink salt in there. I don't know, whatever. Mixed it up, and then actually squirted some lemon juice in there. Nice. So as soon as that starts boiling, we'll put our thawed shrimp in there. Nice. Hey, so check it out. Today. I'm trying out some Samuel Adams American Light. I don't know if I've put this on a video before already or not. Um, it's your typical light beer, 4.2% lager, and it's pale. I've tried it already. If we're being honest, I've already tried it without you. Sorry. Uh, but it's actually pretty good. Let me put this camera somewhere where we can get a good video of the pour. And, yeah, it's going in nice. This will be my second one for today. It's actually tasting pretty good. Now how good you could see that. And it's pretty darn good for a light beer. I like it. Samuel Adams does it again. All right. Hey, till next time, leave me a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Go Phils, go Eagles. Later.